Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to create a WhatsApp group and make it accessible to a wider audience. First, open your WhatsApp application and navigate to the Chats tab. Look for the new chat icon, typically a speech bubble, and tap it. From the options that appear, select New Group to start building your community. This is the initial step to connect with many people. Next, you will need to add at least one contact to your group to proceed. After selecting your initial member, tap the green arrow to move forward. Now, it is time to give your group a name. Choose something clear and descriptive, as this will be how members identify your group. You can also add an optional group icon at this stage to personalize it further. To make your group accessible to a broader audience, you will need to generate an invite link. First, tap on the group name at the very top of your chat screen. Scroll down through the group information until you find the Invite via Link option. Tap this and WhatsApp will generate a unique link. Copy this link to your clipboard, ready for sharing. With the invite link copied, you can now share it across various platforms like social media, email, or other messaging apps. Anyone with this link can join your group directly. As an administrator, you maintain full control. You can revoke the link at any time, preventing new members from joining, or even reset it to generate a completely new one, all from the group settings.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.